Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Ionic, and I'm gonna show you how to install the apps on this device. First, we need to open the Fitbit app on our phone. Of course, our watch needs to be paired with our phone via Fitbit app. In the app, we need to tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner, like this. Here we need to select our watch from the list of devices, Ionic, and as you can see, we have apps option. Tap on it. And here we have list of apps installed on our watch, as you can see. And if you want to install more apps, simply tap on all apps right here to switch the category. And here we have basically list of categories. We can select, for example, general and utilities. As you can see, you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of apps, or you can tap on view all to open the whole category, and here you have even more apps you can install. Find the app you want to install, for example, Solitaire, as you can see. Let's tap on it. This one is paid, as you can see, so maybe let's find something free. What is this? Oh, it's a flashlight application. Okay, so let's install this. To install the app, simply tap on install button. And once the app is done installing, you will see uninstall button, but let's go back and here to the my apps, and it also will appear right here on this list. You can tap on it to see the information about the app, or uninstall it, of course. Now let's go to our watch. So let's press the left button to wake up the screen, then swipe left on the screen to open the menu, and let's scroll through the menu by swiping left and find our app. Here it is. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, it's working. And that's how you install the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.